have a seat inside there. These are cool. First off, take a look at the interior.
Oh, that's awesome.
The two-tone green.
Yeah, I like the green.
Interesting side note here. If the interior were white
These
in
are comfy.
68, the seats were a pearl white. They weren't just white metallic. They weren't just white fabric or material. They actually had a pearl inlaid into them.
Oh, that's
It's
cool.
really unique 68 stuff. But look at the map pouch here. That's what they call the map pouches. So you put your trash in there, your map or whatever.
Anything you want to put in a map?
Anything you want to put in there, Chris. Yeah. It's a center console.
Gonna need a new one.
The alphanumeric code for the center console is A6. That's Alpha 6, later to be C16. The alphanumeric code for the bucket seats, which you could get with or without a console, is Charlie 6 Foxtrot. If you had an overhead consolette, like in the E-bodies, it was C26.
Oh, hey, look, they're ready to go down to the lake or the
they're
river.
heading out to the
Let's not open that.
Dead
Who knows
stuff
what's
in there.
Yeah. Whew.
Take a look at this. This is an original 68.
Looks original.
In 69, this area down through here, let's see, in 69, this was silver and this was wood grain. But look at the condition of the dash. The little bullet up there, that's factory. That
Yeah, what
little
is
round
this?
thing. I'm not
Just
sure.
a decoration, kind of?
I'm not sure. But all of them had it in 68. It did have it before you broke it.
It pops back in there.
Yeah, yes, it does. You'll notice this vertical lines right here. This is unique to 68, this pattern. In 69, they went with a texture. In 70, they went with a texture. Unless it was an SE, and then this was wood grain in 69 and 70. And all
This
RTs
is cool
in
how
70.
they slide. I've never seen those
Jump
before.
over the top of me, it's just information.
All the air conditioning, the heat, it's a slider. That was really neat.
Kind of lost her on that.
I thought it was really cool. I mean, I've never seen a slider.
in the middle
Great.
of teaching her something, and she kind of
Okay, I'm sorry.
Look, they slide.
He was super excited over telling me about the grain
and the dash.
and the
yeah,
dash,
it was
you know.
well,
Well, I got excited over sliders, so it's the same thing.
who hasn't heard that 1,000 times, right? Yeah, buttons, they go back and forth.
That's really neat. I mean, okay, finish what you're saying. It was
Okay.
super important.
Notice that these plugs that go in this door are the same color as the door. Mm-hmm. Got to watch that in these. These are the little things, these are the little nuances that you have to document to make sure that we have it. So when somebody comes up in a year from now when we're putting it back together and says, nah, no, I never had them. Enchanté, monsieur. I do believe it did have them, and here's the photograph of it.
You know, this little emblem reminds me of that round charger emblem.
Yeah.
In the door.
I'll have to, actually, why don't you research what that means? Because it does mean something, somewhere to somebody, and they have it.
It can't be like a Star Wars thing.
I don't think it's, I think it's a couple years early, 68's a couple years early for Star Wars.
I never watched any of those anyway.
When did Star Wars come out, 78?
I have no idea.
Probably 10 years later? I don't know. Never a big Star Wars
I know,
fan.
Dad. Anything that anybody else liked.
If other people liked it
If
a
it was
lot,
too popular,
then it was weird.
it was.
Yeah.
Yep.
And look at me today. A perfectly normal, healthy, functioning adult.
Yeah.
So at this point, you can roll this thing forward. I want you to light it. I want you to photograph it. I want everything front to back. If you have less than 1,000 photos, I'm not talking about the same photo over and over again to the front corner while you're playing on your phone. This
What
car
about, like,
is
photos
you.
like
yes. If they must be selfies, make them selfies. I still want 1,500 selfies. Yeah.
There
Do
you
that.
go.
Do one of the wiper.
Oh, okay.
Show the wiper. Yeah. Yeah. Got that wiper. Good. Good. Turn signal
Got that on
indicators
there.
are missing. Make sure you get that.
See? Okay, 1,000 of those. I got
All
it.
right. Message received.
Yep.
And with that,
Okay, Dad. Thanks.